Hello students, welcome back. Today we will continue our chapter number 3, that is addition and subtraction. We have completed our activity 1 and activity 2 of this chapter, and now today we are going to continue our activity number 3. Today we will learn about the subtraction of 7 and 8 digit numbers, and also we will learn about the relationship between addition and subtraction. Here I have taken one example of doing that subtraction of 7 or 8 digit number. Here I have taken example, here I have taken 8 digit number. Okay students, we'll do with the example. Subtract 4 crore 23 lakhs 17,288 from 9 crore 46 lakhs 83,578. Students, you must remember that we always subtract the smaller number from the larger number. Okay, first of all, we will arrange these numbers into the columns like ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Okay, I told you that we will always subtract a smaller number from the larger. So here I have taken, whenever it comes from, you always pick the second number at the first place and the other at the second place. Now we continue our steps. Our step number 1 is subtract the ones. Our ones digits are 8 and 8. So 8 minus 8 is 0. Okay students. Now come to the tens place. Here is 7 and here is 8. We know that 8 is greater than 7. So we will borrow one carry from the hundreds place. Okay, so here we will carry. So it becomes 17 here. It becomes 4 here. Okay students. So 17 minus 8. Okay, it will become 9. Okay, now students come to the hundreds place. Here it is 4 and now it is 2. So 4 minus 2. This is 2. Next come to the thousand place. Here 3, here is 7. And we know that 7 is greater than 3. So we cannot subtract the 7 from 3. So what we will do? We will borrow one carry from the 10,000 place. So here it becomes 13 and here it becomes 7 because we have borrowed one carry. So 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7 is 6. Okay students. So come to the 10,000 place. 7 subtraction 1. What we will get? 6. Okay students. Now come to the lakhs place. Here we have to subtract 3 from 6. So 6 minus 3 will be 3. Come to our next step. 10 lakhs column. Here it is 4. 4 minus 2. That is 2. Next one is crore. 9 minus 4. This is 5. Okay students. This is our answer. 5 crore 23 lakhs 66,290. We have also discussed these sums in our first video. I have told you each and every step of this question. Okay, this is the same way we attempt the subtraction of 7 or 8 digits. Just now we have done the subtraction of a 8 digit number. On the basis of this is your activity 3. Okay students, and this is your question number 1, that find the difference. Okay, your question 1 has 2 parts, A and B. In first part, this is subtraction of a 7 digit number and this is the subtraction of a 8 digit numbers. Students, you can do this sum by yourself. Okay, this is totally based on what we have done just now. Okay, students, now I want to tell you what is the relation between the addition and subtraction. Firstly, I will tell you the relation of addition and subtraction by a simple example. Then we move to the questions. Okay students, suppose let us look at an example. Suppose I am taking as an example of 11 minus 8 equals to something. Okay, it means that 11 take away 8. Okay, so we are subtracting 8 from the 11. So it means 11 is a whole part. 11 is a whole which is complete and 8 is a something part. Okay students, okay, because it is a subtraction case and so 11 is the whole and 8 is the parts and we are missing our another part. Okay, now we can also let's think about it as an addition problem. Now we will think about this problem as an addition problem. Means 8 plus something will be equals to 11. Okay, we know that 8 is a part. Okay, and here we are missing the another part, so this is also a part. So part plus part is equals to whole. Okay, this is the situation of subtraction and this is the situation of addition. We know that 8 plus something is equals to 11, and we know that 8 plus 3 is equals to 11. Okay students, you know this now. 8 plus 3 becomes 11. So it means that 11 takes away 8 will be equals to 3. Okay students, this is our answer, and this is the relation between an addition and a subtraction. Okay, because they both are linked to each other. This is the type you will get in your activity number 3, that subtract this number from that number and check your answer also. Students, I have already told you we always subtract the smaller number from the greater number. So I have arranged that in a way. Okay students, we know that this is the largest number, that 3,43,260 and 1,12,605. So students, first we continue our first step, that subtract the ones. Here it is 0 and here it is 5. We cannot subtract the 5 from 0. So what we do? We will borrow one carry from the tens place. So it becomes 5 and it will give one carry to ones, so it becomes 10. So 10 minus 5 will be 5. 5 minus 0, we know that 5, because it's the property of addition and subtraction also, that whenever we add or subtract 0 to any number, we will always get the same number. Next, move to the 100 place. Here it is 2, here it is 6. And we cannot subtract 6 from the 2. So what we will do? We will borrow one carry from the thousands place and it becomes 12 and this will become 2. So 12 minus 6 will be 6. Another one, move to thousands place. Subtract 2 minus 2. It will be 0. Now move to 10,000. It is 4 minus 1. That is 3. Now move to lakhs place. 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay students, this is what we have done, that subtract this number from this. Now next one is to check your answer. How we can check our answer, and I will tell you about the relation between addition and subtraction. Okay students, so here we are subtracting something from this number and we are getting this number. Okay students, I just already told you just before this the relation between addition and subtraction. I want to just relate you with this question like this, because they have taken this example as 11 minus 8. Okay, what we are doing, that 11 take away 8 means whole minus part will be the another part. Okay, this is the same situation here also. And what we have done this, we have think about it in the form of a addition problem. Then what we have done, part plus part is equals to whole. Okay students, this is the relation of addition and subtraction. I have just told you just before this question. This is the same way we do check your answer. Okay, we know that this will be the whole. Okay students, this will be the whole and this will be the part. Because we take something from that one, that will be the whole and this will be the part. And the answer we are getting, this is also a part of whole. Same like this, 11 minus 8 is equal to 3. Same way, this minus this is equals to this. Now, to check our answer, what we are doing there, this is a part, this is this part, this is the second one, this part. Okay students, so answer what we are getting after adding, this is the whole part, means part plus part is equals to whole. This is the way you check your answer. So students, follow the question number 2 of activity 3 in the same way. First you do subtraction. Okay, then to check your answer, what you will do? You will do the addition of part plus part, means the number from which you will subtract the smaller number, bigger number. Your bigger number will be your whole part, another number will be your part, and the answer you will get during subtraction will be your part. So on adding the part plus part, you will get the whole. Okay, this is the way you can check your answer. The question number 3. Sum of two numbers is 7 crore 28 lakh 11,500, and one of the number is 2 crores 56 lakhs 99,297, and we have to find the other number. Students, here you are given one number, okay, and you are given the sum of two numbers, and we have to find the other number. So the situation of the question will also be this one. Suppose you are given this number, okay, your one number is this, and this is your second number, which we don't know. We have to find that number. That is our required number. Okay, students. So what will be the number? Means this is the one number, this will be the other number, and when we add both these numbers, the sum of those numbers is this numbers. Okay, students, we have to find this required number, and we know that we always subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. So to get our required number, what we will do? We will subtract the smaller number from the bigger number, and we will get this one. This is 4 crores 71 lakh 12,203. This is our required number. This is our other number also. Okay, students, we can say this as a required number, or we can say this as our other number which we have to find. Okay, students, and whenever we add this number with this number, what we will get on adding this? We always get this number. Let's look at question number 4 or activity 3. Question number 4 is, what should be added to 1 crore 80 lakhs 78,975 to get 5 crore 55 lakhs 55,555. Okay, students, now we have to tell what will be the required number which we will add to this number, so that we will get this answer as our solution. Okay, students, so this is the number, and we have to add a number to this, so that we get the answer this. Okay, so this is our required number which we have to find. Okay, students, to find the required number, what we will do always? We always subtract the smaller number from the greater number. So here we will do subtraction, and we will get this number as our answer as 3 crore 74 lakhs 76,580. This is our required number, and whenever we add this number to this number, we will get this number.